What's up, viewers? This is cooldomino here, and I have an unexpected unboxing today of, hopefully, it's a Firelite BG 12L pull station. Sorry about those weather radio fans that I'm not unboxing a weather radio today. And congratulations, you fire alarm fans that are out there. This would be an unboxing that you might want to watch. This is my first ever pull station I have. I have no pull station. See? I have no other pull stations in my room. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this. I have purple duct tape over the label. Probably don't notice that my favorite color is purple. Purple duct tape over the label because I don't want anyone to know where I live. And I got my multi-tool. Just go ahead and cut this open. Just here, packing list, and here it is. Are you ready to see the pull station? If you're not ready, leave this video. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, that's nice. It's a nice looking pull station. Like you have your instructions right there. You have your terminals, instructions, pull station. Let's open up the clamshell and see what's inside. And there's a model number right there. Firelite Alarm by Honeywell BG12L. Dual action key lock reset. That's what it says. So let's go ahead and open up the clamshell. There's like some mounting screws, and here's a key. That's the key looks like. There's the instructions. And here's the pull station right here. Nice pull station. Feels really durable. Let's go ahead and open it up. There's what it looks like inside, if you want to know. I'm going to close it up. As also, let's go ahead and give it a pull. Push in, pull down. Nice. It has activated lettering on it. And I don't know if you can see it, but if it would focus, you can actually see some braille right here and in here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's like a little tap that comes out. Yeah, this is a nice pull station here. Let's go ahead and reset it. Like that. Oh, sorry, I didn't even see that. I'll do it again for you. Like that. So yeah, you don't really have to open it and flip the switch right here. You don't have to do that. You can just close it up and it will lock in place. Yeah, this is a nice pull station. But also notice, this door also comes off as well. Like maybe you have the pull station installed for some reason. In theory, I think what you could do, you can just take the door off. Like that. And maybe you might want to put like a police, I don't know, like a police thing right here. But you'll still have the red box, but you have this off. It's pretty cool. Go ahead and put the door back on. If I could get it on. There we go. Close it up. And it should be good to go. Thank you for watching. And by the way, before I end the video, you were wondering what the instructions look like. They look like this here. Here it shows like all the terminals and stuff. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this here is a pretty common pull station. Probably wondering. There's like some lettering in the back. See what else I can find. Yeah, this is a very nice pull station. If you want the information, so go ahead and screenshot all that right there. Yep, that's all the information right there. And that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.